In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create an index in Confluence using the built-in table of contents macro. This helps you organize long documents and makes it easy for anyone to jump between sections. Start by opening your browser and logging into Confluence. Once you're on your dashboard, head to the page where you want to add your index. Click the Edit option at the top so you can start modifying the page. Inside the editor, type a / and search for the table of contents macro. When it appears, select it and Confluence will prepare the index based on the headings already in your document. You'll see a preview of where the index will sit and you can move it to a better spot if needed. With the table of contents placed exactly where you want it, go ahead and publish your page. As soon as it updates, your index will be fully active, giving readers an easy way to navigate through every section of your document. And that's all you need to do. Adding an index is a simple way to keep your Confluence pages structured, clean, and effortless to browse.